On-call doesn't have to be chaotic. Let's take a quick look at how Alerts Inbox can help engineers triage and fix issues faster. Firstly, you get a unified view of all your alerts. No need to jump across multiple different channels or tools. You can filter them by time, by the tool that you're using, or the channel in which you're receiving the alert. So you can zoom into exactly only what matters. Now, if you are receiving repetitive alerts, we automatically group the similar ones by title so that your team isn't triaging the same issue 8 times or 2 times. Each group shows the total count so you can spot the recurring issues instantly within the same time window. Now, the best part, for any of these alerts, you can run an instant debug to get AI-generated remediation recommendations. Whether it's to restart a service, check specific logs, or trigger an automated remediation action, Doctor Droid will give you a recommendation here. Alerts Inbox is live. You just need to log in and install your Slack bot to start triaging from here. If you want to check out what's next, check out our changelog that I'll be adding in the description to the video. Thank you.